Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 9th, video number 106, surface areas and volumes, section C, achiever, toughest one. So let's start, true or false. If the diameter of a sphere is decreased by 25%, then its curved surface is decreased by 43.75%. We have to find whether this is true or false. Surface area means this round, the outside part, means the football which we see. The leather on the football is the surface area. So the formula for that is 4 pi r square, or in terms of diameter it is pi d square. Okay. Now the diameter is reduced by 25%. So new diameter is what? 25% means what? 1/4. Right? 50% is half. So new diameter is what? D minus 1 upon 4d. That is 3 upon 4d. Now new surface area is what? Pi d square. Instead of d, now we write 3 upon 4d, the whole square, right? So 3 square is 9 upon 16. So what is the decrease now? Original minus new. So pi d square minus pi into 9 by 16 d square. So that becomes 16 and minus 9, 7 upon 16 pi d square. Now we have to find the ratio because we have to find the percentage. So ratio equals to decrease upon old. What is the decrease? 7 upon 16 pi d square upon old is pi d square. So pi d square gets cancelled. What remains is 7 upon 16. What is the value of 7 upon 16? You do it yourself. It's 0.4375. So in terms of percentages, it is, if when you have to convert a ratio to a percentage, multiply this by 100. So this becomes 43.75. So the answer is true. Right? Next. Curved surface area is increased when the diameter decreases. True or false? Definitely false, because diameter is decreased means what? What is the formula for curved surface? We just now saw surface area pi d square. If d decreases, curved surface area will decrease. The internal and external radii of hollow hemispherical ball are 15 cm and 16 cm respectively. Find the cost of painting the ball at the rate of 35 paise per square centimeter if area of the edge of the ball is ignored, and second, if the area of the ball is edge of the ball is taken into account. See, this hemisphere means half of the sphere. Internal radius 15, external 16. This thickness, in one case it is ignored, in other case it is considered. Now if it is ignored or considered, what we have to find out is the surface area, this total. We have to find out the surface area external plus internal, and then multiply by it by the cost of painting, right? Here surface area of a sphere equals to pi d square, but this can also be written as d equals to 2r, so 4 pi r square. So surface area of hemisphere will be what now? Half of this, that is 2 pi r square. Remember this formula. Case number 1, where thickness is not considered. Internal curved surface is what? 2 pi r square, means r is 15. So do this solution and you will get 14.28. Do it yourself. External surface area is what? Because that is 16 external area. Therefore 2 into 22 by 7 into 16 square. So solve this again. You will get 1609.14. Now what we have to do? We are painting both inside and outside, but ignoring the thickness now. So just add the two areas. So total area to be painted becomes 3023.442. Add these two. So now the cost per square centimeter, it is 0.35, means 35 paise. So total for 3023 will be, multiply it, 1058.19. This is ignoring the thickness. Now case number 2, if you add the thickness, then what? These two are to be done. Definitely. Just add the thickness. Now how do I add the thickness? Outer area minus inner area. Pi r square minus pi r square. 256 pi minus 225 pi. 31 into 3.142. 97.402. That is the area. Again the cost. 35 paise into 97.40. That is 34.09. Just add this 34.09 to earlier one, 1058, and you get 1092.28. That is the cost if thickness is included, and this is the cost if thickness is not included. Download Yoga Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. WhatsApp on this number for queries. Thanks.